Welcome to Horizon, our most adventurous hideout offering open space design and unique amenities for an unforgettable stay in Bali. On the ground floor, you'll discover a sleek, fully equipped kitchen, a cozy living area with an extra hanging hammock for relaxation, and a bathroom with an invigorating outdoor shower. Step outside to find an indoor-outdoor plunge pool, sheltered by a large overhanging grass roof, perfect for a refreshing dip. Follow the bamboo ramp to the upper level, where a large round bed adorned with a 2-layer mosquito net awaits, providing safety and privacy. Additional guests can ascend to the top of the building via a bamboo ladder, where 2 single beds offer cozy relaxation during the day. In the kitchen, you'll always find Balinese coffee, tea, oil, sugar, and salt. If cooking isn't your preference, our hideout bistro offers delicious meals brought directly to your doorstep, including breakfast, included in the price, lunch, and dinner. Horizon boasts a playful and adventurous atmosphere, with no private bedroom space and ample opportunities for relaxation and fun. The heated pool, maintained at a comfortable 31 degrees Celsius, offers a soothing retreat, while natural bamboo ventilation ensures a cool and comfortable environment without the need for air conditioning. Located amidst the mountains of Gunung volcano, Horizon is the perfect eco-resort getaway for adventurous travelers seeking peace and tranquility far from the city life. Each bamboo home is uniquely designed and offers a peaceful retreat that sparks the imagination. It's time to plan your perfect holiday escape and discover the magic of Horizon. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.